Okay, Uncle Chris, what are you doing right now?
I'm putting a bevel in the front stem of the canoe, which we would normally do with, well, we could do with the bandsaw, but we decided to enjoy the satisfaction of using small hand tools to create the bevel in the front. What are you doing now, Gus?
I'm filming you.
Ah. Well, I want you to come over here as you're filming, and now you're going to see exactly what we were talking about. See, there's a line right there? See how that angle goes straight across there? So instead of bowed out like that, it wants to be straight across like that, and right up. But then it gradually softens out, and it just kind of rounds out up here because the planks won't meet up here in the same way that they do down here. And so that's the significance of creating the right angle on the bevel at the right spot as you go down around the stem. Allows the plank to sit flush to the side of the stem. So, are we filming as you're doing that? Okay. Okay. Now I'm going to finish off this for us, okay? And then we're going to put this clamp back on and we'll move down here and do the rest of this.
Okay.
Here's where that wood wants to come off, pull it up. What we want there. So the other thing you realize about canoe building is that there's not a straight line in the whole thing. You can't take a straight line and put it against anything and say, oh, here we go, here's the true line, and from here we'll measure everything. It doesn't seem, the only place that's true is that center line, the first strike when you set up your hardback or your essentially the thing upon which you build everything, the strong back. Yeah. Strong back, which is what the form is built on. It's a straight line. But other than that, it's pretty hard to find one. And it's all because you do things like what we're doing right now. And how do you think that looks, Josh? More or less symmetry there?
That's good. Well, except for at the end there, where it needs to be still put down a bit.
So what we'll do is put this clamp back on, and we'll take this one off, and we'll start working down that way, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so I'll give you that. No. Okay. Oh, yeah. How long a video you taking?
Well, I can cut it afterwards.
Oh, yes, that's true. Let me just draw those lines again for you. So that right through.
And will it flatten out again at the bottom?
Mm-hmm. It's going to continue like this for the rest of the journey.
Okay.
Think you can work on that and make sure that you
Don't cross the line.
don't cross the line, and back here you don't go into the back, right? So it's going to be a plane, more or less like that, right there. Okay, we're right there. You want to do that all the way there. Since you're doing that, I'll go on the other end and see if I can't get some of it going. Okay. And do you have that little tape measure?
It's the little one.
Yeah.
Well, the big one's right here.
Yeah, I want the little one.
Little one, I think I
I
put.
want the little one. Give me the little one.
Yeah.